meat in them, like cabbage rolls, you'll have grapevine rolls. And I'm serious.
Oh, that's grapevine?
Yeah.
Just wild grapes?
Make a movie right here.
I know. That's why I love this stop so much. What stop is this, Preston?
122.
Mile marker 122 on the Natchez Trace, 20 miles north of Jackson. Come on, Dad, I'm passing you up. You act like you're 81 or something.
I feel like it. Right now I do. I got to limber up.
You are.
that's
this.
Your family did live in places.
I know, Pawpaw did. Pearl River.
Yours didn't.
Well, not
Yours
that I
did,
know
but
of.
hers didn't.
Not mine.
Pawpaw, look, see this green stuff floating? That's
In
duckweed.
my house, I don't know.
People used to skim it off and feed it to their cows and their chickens.
Redo
Their hogs.
this. That's
The Indians
nasty.
used to eat that. It's full of
Duckweed?
Yeah, full of protein.
Full of protein. I'll skip it.
In here, the three of y'all.
Oh,
I'll
that's
get y'all's
pretty.
picture.
Damn, that's pretty.
This is
Background.
so gorgeous.
Tam,
Are these cypress?
Tam.
Those leaves like this is not a cypress. See the fringy little leaves up there, Freddie?
Oh, yeah.
That's cypress.
The frizzy little leaves.
And I'll tell you what,
So if these aren't cypress, what are they?
big butt tupelos, hickory, and I saw a pecan back there a while ago.
See them big ass turtles.
Where?
And that long
Oh,
one, the two
my
big ones.
goodness.
See them way out there, Sammy?
Look.
Yeah. And see, you can live here. That's good protein there. That's a big ass turtle.
Yeah, y'all both said
To
that.
see them from this far away, that's a big turtle.
Now, see if you had my rifle with that 16-power scope,
Oh, Lord.
take his head off.
How you going to go get him?
Go to around the bank, wait out where it's close.
You're going to walk out there?
Oh, hell
You,
yeah.
you know how many gators are out there?
Honey, that's least of my worries.
Oh, okay.
I'd be done shot him and ate him too.
Daniel Boone ain't got nothing on you, Daddy.
You gotta eat.
I wish we would see a gator.
You're not likely gonna see one up
No. Be careful what you wish for.
there. Amen. You name it, you'll claim it up front. Lord, that's two big turtles.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, the Pearl River used to be right here.
Yeah, that's the
That's
old
why
river.
this is a swamp. The river cut off over there.
And it changed course.
Hey, y'all.
This empties back into it. When the water gets high enough, it goes back into it. The pearl's behind us right now.
It's water-tolerant cypress and tupelo trees gained a foothold. So there are cypress out there.
Aquatic forest as a result. It's like a Jurassic Park type movie.
Boy, that
Set.
tree is rotten. Look
Yeah.
at that.
A small difference in elevation makes a big difference in the kind of trees that grow in the swamp. Just a few inches above the wet area are oak, sweet gum, maple, and pine, species that are also found many miles from a swamp. Oh, the sun's coming out, Mom. Yay. What is it?
Greenbrier, sawbriar.
No, it's good. It goes to the end.
Look at him.
Turns down.
He's just eating stuff.
It's good. They make salads out of it.
You want to? Try it. Look at all those cypress knees. Good gracious. Look at the two lovebirds taking a selfie. Married 60 years. Okay, these steps. These steps are a little bit like not level and